We have headed out into the wild blue yonder. It is.
Come back out?
Jasmine,
Let me out of here.
what are you doing? I was trying to record.
I'm alone.
Friends, last time we tested the plumbing, we did find a couple of leaks. Brian has since repaired those, hopefully. So we are going to try our second test, which this time we're actually going to fill the drain at the top of the house, so on the roof, and then we're going to fill all of the pipes up to that point, which is a lot of water. So we're going to do that now. We're actually going to fill directly from the well this time instead of from the cistern. Hopefully there aren't any leaks, and if so, we can finally call the inspector and hopefully not think about plumbing for a while, because we've got a lot to do with electric. So let's go do this.
Take 2 on testing plumbing. We're gonna fill it from the top. She wants to take the lead on that so I can run around. I'll probably go straight to where the leaks were. And it was actually really close to the very front, so if there's pressure on it, it should leak. Don't fall.
You say don't fall?
Yeah, from my angle and everything, it sounded like something was about to fall, and that was you. So you don't have to shove it way down,
Okay.
but definitely, so you don't have to hold it. That'd be nice. Is it done?
Yep. I'm trying to get down. I couldn't get down
Sorry.
fast enough.
My bad. Is it coming out?
Not yet, but it's almost there.
Okay, we do want it to come out.
Okay, it's there.
All right. Well, I don't want you to slip either.
Yep, I'm coming off the roof.
All right, let's wait 15 minutes. Let that pressure.
So just like the last time, if you watch our last video when we were testing for leaks, we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. Brian's already done a look at the spots that he was concerned about, and so far so good. When I was up on the roof, I thought I'd have time to know it was being all the way full and then come down and turn it off. No. I had like 10 seconds between I was like, oh, it's almost full, and then it was overflowing. So we actually did overflow the water onto the roof. I needed to get off, just, safety purposes, didn't need to water slide shoot down the roof. So we're gonna hang out for 15 minutes, do another final check, and if we don't see any leaks, we will pull the ball outside the house to make sure we drain all the water, because it does get cold overnight. And yeah, then we can call the inspector. So see you in 15 minutes.
No leaks were found, so that's good. It's a good sign. That's a good sign.
It's a good sign.
Yeah. Chelsea wanted to show you when we drained it, and I just drained it real fast, so my bad. But
it's in our other video. I just like the sound.
Oh yeah.
I wanted to hear the sound.
You wanted to hear the sound? I was looking for you. I was like, oh no, she's gone, so I just did it.
Yeah.
But yeah, the vent system works terrifically, because that stuff was gone
so fast.
It's like a beeline highway. I mean, it's a lot of pressure. I mean, 5 psi equivalent to whatever. But
Maths. Science.
Yeah, it's cool though.
Yeah.
But thank you.
We're done for today with the plumbing.
I'm gonna walk the dogs.
Walk the dogs.
Feed them too, I suppose.
Yeah, maybe they'll get.
Kona, you want to eat tonight? She doesn't want to eat, so.
Maybe not.
Kona, do you want to eat tonight? No?
I don't hear any affirmations.
Daylight savings time is real still. They're just like, yeah, we still got 30 to 40 minutes.
We're gonna take the nice camera into the crawl space. The last piece of plumbing. It's very exciting. It is not connected to the drain lines. It is the drain for the mechanical room, because that is where the water softener will be. And is that the only reason why it's in there? Because the water softener?
Yeah, I mean, I would put a sink in there.
True.
Where's the more sink?
Yeah. So we're gonna go find a few more things, then we're gonna do it. It's really interesting when it's it's darker here than it is in the crawl space. It's like the stairway to hell.
Set push up. So you're gonna turn it and hold it there. Hi.
Have you heard about our Lord and Savior? There it is.
We're trying to get out of the snow. Might hope I have a battery on this.
I'll see you in a bit.
I was like, where's the light?
That was me trying to push the pipe in and just like literally falling over all over the place trying to push.
It was good though, you followed the directions perfectly.
Oh, that's good. Guess I've got one skill.
Listening, following orders.
Following orders. Doing what my husband tells me.
I always tell us truth on most things.
We're gonna call it there for the day because it's very snowy. And the other stuff can be done inside, so.
It's right. We technically could just continue, but no.
I think it's like 7 or something.
I think so.
I'm done. I'm over.
Yeah.
My nose is very red.
I used to always watch people who are wheeling those homes like, why would they do that? Why are they working on that? Why are they? And it's like, there's no rhyme or reason. Especially when you're like literally doing everything, you know, yourself and with very little experience. Like, I've known I needed to do this for a while, and I'm like, yeah, I guess I could have waited, whatever. Let's turn off all these lights.
Let's go see our dog children.
It's been a trip, it's been a journey. It feels like I've been doing electric work and plumbing for the past 2.5 years. And in those 2.5 years, I've learned a lot, made a lot of mistakes. We called for inspections like we planned to, like last week we would have failed because I found a problem that I did. I found this problem last week, I believe. It was how I wired the wire. I wired everything basically. So we gotta go back up on the ladders and we're gonna fix the wire for on top. So basically I wired it to the joist. It needs to be kind of in the middle because if you put drywall or whatever you put onto the joists or the trusses or whatever you want to call on the roof, they need to be at least 1.25 inches away, just like the walls and everything else, because if your screws or drywall screws or whatever could puncture the wire. So we got to pull those off, no big deal. Underneath we're going to just run a wire for future sump pump, probably going to install that later. And then the radon mitigation, I didn't run the wire for that, so pretty quick. And then we're going to go outside. This is the stuff I was holding off. I was waiting for a nice day. Today is gonna be nice-ish.
So I guess we'll do that.
Yeah, let's get to work.
Good day.
It's already lunchtime.
I know, time to stop. Let's go.
Okay, let's see. This would have been a lot easier the first time because every time I do a hole, I was putting a staple there, so it probably would have finished a lot faster if I just did it right the first time. But knowledge
is power.
Yeah, it is whenever you know what you're doing. So we need this outlet here because here is our, I guess I could have made it further away, but here is our valve for our shower actually. I haven't shown you that. It is thermo, what are they called? Thermo? Is it on here? Thermostatic. That means it's static thermos. When you do these wires, screws turn this way, so you kind of want to go it that way. So if you did that, if I would it the other way, you could turn to remove the wire. So this is for a future sump pump. I say future because I'm not planning to do that today, or I don't have a plan to do it at all. But
what? You don't have a plan?
There's no plan. There's like no plan for most of the stuff, but I don't know. It's kind of interesting to see this come together. The reason why I redid all this stuff is because this is the light. This is a construction light, which it may not just be construction. I like it, so just whatever, we're probably gonna keep it. Anyway, so I did all the wires. That's kind of loose. I did all the wires like that. All these wires were hanging from here. Some old remnants of the staples. So I stapled it all, and then I read in the code, big no-no. So find home building, said, yeah, you don't want to do that. Code violations and stuff. So let's just do it this way. What's up? Here's my pile of stuff.
When I took the last clip, I was like, I didn't know you were gonna work there, so I like put everything in that pile and tried to make it all organized, and then you just like climbed on top of it and like, this is where I need to work. I was like, oh, that was my fault.
This is where we're gonna put stuff. We'll probably put some stuff under there, or, you know, leftover pipe. It's costing us an arm and a leg, whatever.
This is fine.
It's fine.
It's very white and gray out today, but essentially all that's left outside is just kind of like, what, finishing up the boxes?
Yeah, we're gonna reconnect it. So I had to pull a lot of these out. This one was the only one that was somewhat connected. I think when I was working on it, I was like, I just don't want to do this anymore. So I just stopped somewhere in between 1/3 and 2/3 done. 33 and 66% done. And then I was like, yeah, whatever. And then we pulled everything out anyway. So underneath to get it up to snuff. And,
Up to snuff.
We're gonna work on that.
This will be a montage. For sure.
Plumbing. I can't think of anything else we need to do. I think it's done.
Hooray!
Yeah. So we could have called for that a couple days ago. I didn't. I mean, we had a big storm. I was like, they're not gonna come on the weekend anyways. It was like Thursday. I'm like, yeah, whatever. The big storm was Thursday night.
Yep.
So I'll call for, or go online, and then some of the things I need to do is go through some of the. When I went to the hardware store, they didn't have some of the nail protector plates that you put on. I believe I need to do this. I need an electrician to correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure I did this before the inspection.
Huh.
Fire block. Because, you know, you got a fire, say we got a fire underneath. This would be really weird because most of the stuff that's flammable is up here. But still, we'll put that in there. fire needs oxygen, and the air can just if you have a hole, it's just gonna have
a chimney.
Yeah, it's gonna have a place for it to go.
So the plumbing inspection should happen this coming week. And there's
I wouldn't say that.
No?
No, because I don't know. I'm gonna request the inspection.
True.
Who knows how busy he is?
Who knows?
Yeah, but we're excited.
Yep.
I appreciate everybody rooting us on, you know, friends and family, sometimes on the side, sending text messages, calling us, whatever. That means a lot.
If you're enjoying this video, consider supporting our channel. You have a few options. Number 1, you can subscribe. Number 2, watch 30 seconds of ads during our videos. That makes YouTube send us money. Yay, money! Number 3, become an official patron or YouTube member. You can sign up by clicking the links in the description box below. Your support is what enables us to continue making videos and share this journey with you. Thanks for everyone who supported us so far.
Without giving you a rundown of how it works, I'm gonna give a rundown anyways. But if you, this is not educational,